Plants, leaf litter, the resurrection jar, the food web.
Welcome to Father Fish and the Natural Aquarium.
Well, we've had a very exciting past 5 or 6 days. We received two boxes in the mail on Friday. And inside the boxes was this. This is our book. This is what we've been working on for the last 2.5 years. There have been 5 researchers, scientists, and writers and editors who worked together daily for 2 years to put this together. It was all done actually on our Discord server. We set up a special place for them to meet and talk, and they had a huge directory where they put together, just an unbelievable number of pictures. And the book is full of pictures. Almost every page has a picture on it, or a graph, or some other description of what we're really all about. I mean, look at this. It goes on and on and on and on. It's an amazing book. It has a table of contents, that is 7 pages long. That's how much material is in here. And it has amazing detail. Information about, let me just jump into something. Chapter 4, the build. Soil and substrate. Hardscape. Adding water. Adding moss and epiphytes. Planting layer 1. Planting layer 2. Planting layer 3 and 4. Adding water part 2. Adding final details. Adding livestock. The result. Conclusion. Practice makes perfect. And inspirational examples. That's chapter 4. Let's jump to, let's see. Here is, this is an appendix. The appendix has page after page after page of trees. I don't remember how many. I think, let's see, it tells you it's about 20 different trees, and there are leaves and descriptions about each one of these trees, which explains the benefit of those leaves in your aquarium. So it ain't just about alders anymore. And then there's a wonderful section on a tree identification key, so you can learn how to discover what the tree is. Common tanks and substrate needed table, a table of contents, a table, I should say, that helps you discover how much substrate you need based on the size of your tank. Common aquarium plants, and then stem plants, sword plants, ricophytes, bulbs, grass lake plants. Appendix E is the old balanced natural aquarium. Appendix F, natural aquariums from around the world. We have pictures of countless people around the world who have set up natural aquariums based on our system. We have pictures of their tanks and descriptions of the tanks with their name, and you can actually contact them. History of the aquarium, directory of common questions, chapter, title, photos, credits. There's another, let's see if I can find it. There's another section here that, figure out where it is. That Tisha did. It's all about how to create, how to design. Oh, here it is. The section on aquascaping. that has all of the details about how to do aquascaping. Two big chapters, chapter 3, chapter 4, 4, 5. 5 chapters on aquascaping. So, and with an enormous amount of detail. Let's see, how many pages? This book, by the way, is 400 pages. The aquascaping section goes from 245 to 295, so it's 50 pages on aquascaping. We have a section on algae, on disease, on fish, shrimp, and snails, on equipment. It goes on water, on plants, leaf litter, the resurrection jar, the food web, how to clean the water, direct cleaning, what buffers are, a discussion of hydrogen sulfide, and then the details of the fatherfish substrate. It goes on and on. Everything you want to know and everything you don't know you need to know about the natural aquarium. And it's written from a scientific perspective, but it's written for the average reader, for the average hobbyist. So you're not going to have any trouble understanding it. It's written in everyday language, but it does have many of the terms and many of the concepts that science has discovered in the process of understanding how nature works in an aquarium. The book is available right now as a pre-sale, discounted $10. So you can get it $10 off at our store, or you can pay an extra fee and get signatures from all of the authors, all of these authors down here, plus myself, plus Father Fish. There will be a plate in the front with our signatures on every one of them. Now, we cannot send hundreds of these books all around the world. 2 of these authors are in Scandinavian countries, one in Denmark and one in Copenhagen. There's one in London, England. There's another one in Scotland. There's one in California, in San Diego. And of course, I'm here in Salisbury, Maryland. So it would be very difficult for us to send these books all over. So what we have done is ask all of the authors to sign labels. And they have sent us, as a starter pack, 100 labels each. And then we will have a page on the inside. It'll be the second page. It'll be blank. And we'll have a plate there with all of the signatures on it. And then for those of you who would like a personal comment on the inside cover, I will sign a personal note to you if you request it. You can do that when you order your book. You can leave a note explaining exactly how you would like it inscribed. There is an extra fee for that. So you have to buy the inscribed book, the signed book, not the unsigned book. And it's clear which is which when you do it. Now, again, these books are going to be available in the market in 2 to 3 weeks. We got advanced copies so that we could give a final approval. And there was one mistake in it. We had to correct it. A funny page got left in the front when we went through editing. We're just getting rid of that. And we'll be using that as our signatory plate page. The book will be available in 2 to 3 weeks. When it is, the price will go up, but it also will be available through all of the major book suppliers. It will be on Amazon. It'll be in Barnes and Noble. It'll be everywhere books are sold. So we're hoping that it's going to be a tremendous success and be an enormous benefit to people who are seeking to create an aquarium that will be just their heart's content. And that's what it does. So hope you take advantage of the opportunity to get a price break on the book. It'll be shipped out. We will be getting our own supply that we will ship out from our store. And they'll be available in about 3 weeks. So it might take a month before we get it to you, but they're on their way.